You see the woodpecker. I never know he's going on the grass. He must be hungry. The magpie is gonna try to attack him. Who's gonna win? Let's have a see. I think the pucker can give him a little knock. Look those two, and they are gorgeous. Look at them. Nature is all around us. We take our time to look at it and enjoy those little beautiful moments all around us. Watch those two. He's busy picking in my grass. He must know there's gonna be snow coming soon. So let's eat a little bit. Does he ever raise his head? No, he's busy. Let's see him. Look how the other guys circle it all around him. Reno, don't come close to me. I will pick on you. Hoppa, he's walking around. What a beauty this guy is. Usually come on my roof. Now he's in my grass. Enjoy this little view. Have a nice day.